Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will be doing this exercise 7.3 of coordinate geometry NCERT class 10. So the questions are pretty simple and we just have to apply this formula. So the area of triangle can be written as half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This order is very important and you should learn this formula, and we just have to apply this formula in the whole exercise. So the question 1 is simple and you just have to fill these values in this formula, and the second part is also same. And in the second question we have also discussed that we have to find a value of k such that the points are collinear. So the theory for this question is, so if there is a triangle ABC and we have, now we shrink this triangle into a line such that A comes in between BC on the line joining B and C. Then the area of this thing becomes 0. So you just have to calculate the area in terms of k and put that equal to 0. Same for this part. And in the third question, find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Okay, so it is a good question. So the question says that we have this triangle, suppose ABC, the coordinates will be 0, minus 1 and 2, 1 and 0, 3. So they are saying, the question is saying that find these midpoints of AB, suppose it is D, E and F, and we join this triangle and we have to calculate this area. Okay, so first find area of triangle ABC. Suppose the area comes out to be A1, then find the area of DEF, and this area comes out to be A2. Suppose how we will be finding DEF, just add these two values 0 and 2, 0 plus 2 upon 2, so its x coordinate will be 1, and what will be its y coordinate? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2, so it will be 1, 0. E will be 1, 2 and F will be 0, 1. Okay, now we have these coordinates, apply the formula and get the answer. Now from the theory of similar triangles, we know that the ratio of area of A2 to the A1 must be 1 by 4, and we will be verifying this here also. Remember in the similar triangles theory, we know that the ratio of area of DEF upon area of ABC will be the ratio of side square. Suppose DF upon BC whole square. So DF upon BC is half, square will be 1 by 4. That's how we are getting this 1 by 4. And you will be getting the answer here also. And in the question number 4, you just have to take any 3 points as they are in order. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So if we join A, B, C and D, so if this is the quadrilateral, just join AC to get this area ABC and this area ACD, and then add those two areas to get the final answer. In the next question, the question says that a median of a triangle divides it into two. Okay, so you have to just, if this is the triangle ABC, where A is 4 comma minus 6, B is 3 comma minus 2, and C is 5 comma 2. So you have to mark this, okay, mark this point D as the median at the midpoint of BC. So its coordinate will be 3 plus 5 upon 2, that is 4, and minus 2 plus 2, that is 0 by 2, that is 0. So its coordinate is 4 comma 0. Now join this line and find this area of triangle ADB and triangle ADC, this area, and you will be getting that these two areas are equal. Okay, so now we have completed exercise 7.3 and we move